Avoid table 19. They ask for some bullshit request every time I walk past.
You heading out?
Yeah,
Who's supposed to be covering that table?
Jacob. First, they had the wrong brand of wine. Then the bread was stale. Then one guy asked me for a whole new set of silverware.
And this time?
Have you seen that real wrinkly guy out there? He asked me for a medium rare chicken.
Thanks for the warning.
I told him to order from their actual waiter, so if you see Jacob, tell him table 19 wants salmonella.
You know, earlier, I had a table that ordered a steak, half medium rare, half well done.
I swear the people here have the worst taste out of anybody anywhere.
They're just rich and just forgot how actual food is supposed to taste.
Have you heard anything back from Tiffany's? You leaving me yet?
Not yet.
It's good. So whenever you do go, you'll be taking any fun this place has to offer with you.
When I leave, I expect everybody to burst in a song and dance. You got any plans for the night?
No, nothing in particular, but there's always a house party somewhere with drinks and a couch with Helen written all over it. What about you? Got anything fun planned for the night?
Nope. Unfortunately, I'm stuck here pulling a double because Keith came down with mono.
Bullshit, and you know it.
Look, I just got told somebody has to cover the shift, and the money goes a long way.
You're a sucker.
I'm an employee doing my job.
You're a sucker. You should quit right now and march out of this place with me. Later, sucker.
Bye.
Hello, this is Tiffany's in the greater Lockwood area. I wanted to call to inform you that at this point in time, we are unable to offer you the position. However, we have your resume on file and highly encourage you to apply for another position in the future.
What? Shit. Tyler! Tyler!
Your call has been forwarded to an
Where
automatic
is
voice
he?
message system. At the tone,
Damn it.
Is there any reason that you're on the ground?
Tyler locked me out of our apartment. Now he's either ignoring me or dead. You didn't happen to see him at all, did you?
No, I heard him shouting something about needing drinks, but that was at like 10. I thought he'd be back by now. No dice.
Any chance you know how to pick a lock?
No, but there's plenty of rocks around and your window looks pretty breakable.
I couldn't afford the fees and damage.
Might be fun, you know, spice up your life a little bit.
You needed drinks, huh? You know anywhere the parties are happening tonight?
You're gonna need to be more specific.
I don't know, the biggest one.
It's probably Sabrina's birthday party.
Who?
Dude, Sabrina Richmond?
Okay, well, what's the address?
1376 Wayward Street. Have you really not heard about this? Tyler's been talking about it like all week.
He might have mentioned it. Okay, 1376 Wayward Street. That's on the other side of town. I think the purple route takes me close.
Yeah. Sabrina got a place by the bus stop on purpose.
Okay, thanks again, man. Have a good night.
Well, hey, I mean, I've got 2 controllers, some drinks. Tyler's got to be back eventually. You could just hang out here.
Another time, I think. I'm gonna just try to find Tyler and get some sleep, man. But you have fun without me.
I mean, at least let me give you a ride, man.
I can handle it.
knocks at a party?
Is Tyler here?
Tyler who?
Berkeley.
Berkeley, like Josh's friend Tyler Berkeley?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gone.
What?
Yeah, Josh got them all kicked out.
All of them.
Yeah, okay. So Josh spilled his drink on Christina, which then he tried to say it wasn't that big of a deal, which yes, it is, because we all know that she gets her cloth imported because she says Italian leather makes her ass look fatter, which is total bullshit, by the way. I mean, yes, she looks incredible in them, but that's besides the point. I mean, do you know how much her pants cost?
No, what does that have to do with anything?
$369.99, not including shipping. I mean, isn't that the craziest thing you've ever heard?
And why is Tyler gone too?
I was getting to that. Well, after Josh was such a bitch to her, Christina gave Sabrina a choice. Either she stays or Josh leaves. I mean, easy choice, because you know they're practically like sisters. So Josh got booted, and Josh is a total creep.
And Tyler?
Well, Tyler owes Josh money, and Josh didn't want to lose sight of them, so they left with Josh's friends to Charlie Morris's place. Yeah, and do you want to know why Tyler owes Josh so much money?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, I am so gonna kill Tyler for this. Hey man, have you seen Tyler anywhere? Hey, have you seen Tyler anywhere? Tyler? Tyler. Tyler, open up, man, it's me.
What the hell do you want, man? The room's in use.
I need to see Tyler, I'm his roommate.
Nobody's coming in here while bro's in pain.
What's wrong with him?
That prick Josh stole his vape and took off.
That's dumb. Look, I just need his keys.
Oh, so you're trying to steal from this broken man, too. You've got some nerve, asshole.
Look, just let me get in there
No.
and get...
See, if you want to be helpful, you can go find this poor, sad, vapeless man some damn water.
Danny?
Helen!
You decided to get out after all.
Yeah, I thought I'd stop by, see what's going on.
It's good to see you outside of work. I didn't think you actually left the building. Look at you. Out here busting it down in the same thing you wore to work earlier.
Yeah, Tyler kind of locked me out of our apartment.
Behold, the truth. So, what? You kidnapping him?
No, just robbing him, at least for his keys.
Do you consider the sensible option of just smashing a window?
And lose our security deposit?
Pocket change.
No, I think I'd rather drag myself across town chasing down my roommate. That's what I did.
That's why you look like shit.
No, that's just me. That's just plain old Danny.
Oh, you look great. Happy you're here.
Happy to be here.
You know, you don't have to say that just to be polite.
That obvious, huh?
So obvious.
I don't know. I used to like parties like this, dancing, drinking, laughing, and being loud.
Having fun?
Yeah, I think I could have fun still. It's just, I don't know. I just don't have the time.
Do you have the time right now?
I guess, but right now the music's too loud. People are shoving each other around. The smell of weed is burning my nose. I mean, besides you and Tyler, I don't even know anybody here. And I'm just sore. I'm sweaty and I'm gross. I'm just so tired. I don't hate all of this. I think if I stayed, but it's every day there are a million things I can do. Right now there's a million things I could do for fun. But all I want to do is go home and sleep. Sleep so I can wake up tomorrow and maybe feel a little bit better. I should get that. See you around.
Get in there, bro. I'm done dealing with him.
Danny?
Here.
Is that you?
Yes, now take this water.
How did you find me?
No, man, just drink.
You're a godsend, man. Damn angel. Thank you
Where
so
are your keys?
Do you have my vape?
No, I need your keys.
That bastard Josh took it.
Josh took your keys.
Josh stole my vape.
Keys, Tyler, keys. Please just give me your fucking keys.
Hang on, man. You're really killing the bathroom vibe. I'm so gonna kill Josh for this.
Look, do you have a ride home?
What are you, my dad? My ride home is this sweet bathroom floor.
Alright, just get back home safe.
Mm-hmm.
Got what you came for?
The robbery's been committed.
And out of here? Just like that?
Yep, back to the break room floor for me.
What if you didn't go back?
What, you want me to quit?
No, working with you is great. It's just, you don't let yourself stop. You're a machine and you're gonna explode.
I'm not a machine, I just have groceries and rent, insurance, bills.
And a body that will fall apart if you don't take a break. So take the day off, go for a walk, watch a movie, play a video game, call your mom.
Go to a party?
Yes. Prove to yourself that you can find a million fun things to do.
Look, I can't find someone to cover my shift the day before.
Jacob did it this morning.
That's different.
How? Danny, I'll cover your shift if I have to.
It's okay, really. I'm okay.
I don't believe you.
Look, I don't need a break, but I could probably get out more.
What do you mean?
I mean, I'm working a late shift, 5, maybe we could. I guess what I'm trying to say is there's this new sandwich shop opening up. We could probably...
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, great. How about 12?
Sure.
I think that could be a good break for me.
Yeah, I think it'll be nice.
See you tomorrow then.
What's the name
What?
of the sandwich place?
Oh, Dino's. It's by the CVS.
Okay. Well, I'll see you later. Get out of here, sucker.
I will.
Dino's at noon. Don't you dare forget it, Daniel.
I would never. Good night. Hello?
Hey Danny, just giving you a heads up that we need you to come in today and help us through the lunch rush.
Mm-hmm.
I know that you're not scheduled today, but Jacob called in sick, so are you free to work?
Not today.